Good day, everyone. My name is Alicia G. Velasco from Section Quebec, and I will be discussing about nature, scope, and concept of criminology. But first, we need to know what is criminology. According to Edwin H. Sutherland, his international definition is, it is the body of knowledge regarding social problem of crime, regarding to delicacy social phenomenon. Simply means that it is the study of crime, criminals, and the society. Criminology is derived from the Latin term crimen, which means accusation, transliterated Greek logia, which has come to denote the study of crime. Ang pag-aaral ng krimen. In 1885, an Italian law professor coined the term criminologia, and he is Raffaele Garofalo. After 2 years, a French anthropologist named Paul Topinard used the term criminology in French for the first time. Many are wondering, is criminology a science or not? So, based on Edwin H. Sutherland and Donald Crusade, they both agree that criminology is not a science, but it has hopes of becoming a science one day. However, there's a petition. George L. Wilker said that criminology cannot possibly become a science due to lack of universal proposition of crime, and scientific studies of criminal behavior is impossible. Sabi niya is, nag-iiba daw ang behavior ng tao, and kulang pa ang pag-aaral ng criminal behavior ng tao. That's why we can consider criminology a science today. However, generally, buong mundo, hindi natin masasabing we can consider criminology a science. But in our country, based on RA 11131, we can consider criminology a science today. Natures of criminology. As Dean. As Dean represents applied science. It is the study of causes of crimes and natural sciences, such as anthropology, psychology, and sociology. Social science, it focuses about the environment, the social phenomenon, social problems. However, dynamic, it is the changing time or the change in the laws of a country. Interdisciplinary, it focuses on crime and responses to crime. Nationalistics, it's about the history, the culture, and social norms of laws. It focuses about the laws of the country. Scope of criminology, sociology of law, study of the origin and development of criminal law or penal law. Criminology, etiology, it is the study of causes of crimes and development of criminals. Study of different factors that enhance the development of criminal behavior, such as, here are, criminal demography. It focuses about the population. Criminal epidemiology, from the word itself, epidemiology, epidemic. It focuses about the environment, the prevention, like for example, how to prevent the linkage of HIV. So, criminal ecology, it focuses about the society and community. Criminal physical, study of human species, the physical constitution of man. Criminal psychology, it focuses about human behavior and human mind. When we say human behavior, pumapasok dito ang counseling, while human mind, pumapasok dito ang mental hospitalization. Victimology, from the word itself, study of the role of the victims. So let's move on. criminology, criminal justice, and defiance. So, criminology and criminal justice. Criminal justice refers to the agencies of social control. It studies about the law enforcement system and operations. While criminology, it explains about the crimes of the society, of how they commit crimes and why they commit crimes. Criminologist. What is criminologist? A criminologist is a person who studies the causes of crimes, its treatment and prevention using scientific methods. There are the persons who pass the board exam. They are licensure criminologists. Criminology and defiance. So, there are similarities and differences of the criminology and defiance. So the next slide, the second next slide, where I will discuss about the differences of crime and defiance. Okay, so criminology and defiance. Criminology is the study of criminal behavior, while defiance, it is the study of behavior that departs from the social norms. So, example of offense in defiance is conformity, rebellion, ritualism, and ritualism. Here are the differences of crime and defiance. Here are the differences. So that's all. And I hope you learned something about my video presentation. And once again, I'm Eliza G. Velasco from Section Quebec. And padayon, hiraya manawari.